Hello friends, how are you? I hope you will be fine and I prepare you blessing of God always with you in every field of life. Today I present a different topic in about the human life. I mean, what is the meaning of life? This is a different topic and interesting in our life as we are living in different societies. We are belong to different societies, countries and states, but it is common. I mean, what is the meaning of life or what is life? This is a common issue and common topic about the in our world as we are living in different categories and belong to different fields of life. First of all, we are discussing in the what belong to life. Life is a dream. Please realize it. This is natural truth. Anybody not rejected it because life is a dream. Because some writers, some poets present it. Imagination is eye of soul, and this is clear that life is a dream. Please realize it. And the second topic of our life is a game, please play it. Because life is an opportunity. Yani second, minute, every second, every hour, every day, and every year, it is an opportunity. We are trying to play it in different ways, different categories. So this is clear that life is a game, please play it. And the number of third is life is a first and last opportunity. Please understand it. This is clear. This is clear that a natural truth and everybody don't reject it because life is a first and last opportunity. Nobody reject it. So this is clear that life is a first and last opportunity. Please understand it. And the number of four is life is a one-way road. Please drive it carefully because life is a one-way road. Because life is a first opportunity and last opportunity, no second opportunity. So this is clear that please drive it with carefully. And the number of five is life is a song. Please sing it song. This is clear that. And now we are trying to understand it. Life is a song, please sing it. And the number of six, life is a challenge, please meet it. And different field of life we are belong to, and this is clear that life is a challenge. And we try to understand it and meet it. So this is clear that life is a meet this challenge and understand it. And the number of seven, eight, life is Allah, please enjoy it. This is clear that life, love, brotherhood, contentment, and tolerance. These are all symbol of life. So clear that life is a love. Please enjoy it. And the number of ninth, life is a trust. Please build it. Trust is a small word, and whole world is all we need to understand is so this is clear that build it because life is a trust. And the other number of life is like a red signal, please try to change it into green signal. So this is clear that Angrez writer that said that life is like a red signal. If you wait for happy moment, then it change into green signal. So this is clear that life is like red signal. We try to understand it and try to change it into green signal because it is clear that everything is possible with struggle, try, and we need to try and try to change it into green signal. And life ends when you stop dreaming. Please continue dream. Imagination is eye of soul. So this is clear that and natural truth. Nobody can tell me about rejected. So this is clear that life is end when you dreaming and please continue it. So this is clear that and the number of 12 that you will win the life when you avoid the comparing with others. Comparing is a negative element in our society where I am living. So this is clear that when you avoid the comparing, so you win the life. And the second last element of our life, life has no meaning. It is an opportunity to create a meaning. So please do it. So this is clear that. And the second last and last opportunity and last element about great life, look back and thanks God and look forward and trust God. So this is clear that life is a small word, but it's surrounded the whole world. So this is clear and natural element. If you need, try to understand. We need to try to understand it. If you like, please subscribe and channel and like and forward. Thank you so much.